Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making lady's finger fry. This is an easy and simple recipe made with basic spices. It goes well with Indian breads as well as with rice. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected. Let's get started. These are the ingredients we need to make this dish. First, let's pound the roasted peanuts. This is 4 tablespoons. Crush it coarsely and set it aside. Take a wide pan and add in about a tablespoon of oil. Rinse the lady's finger in water with some salt. Dry it completely before cutting them. Fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Now the lady's finger has changed its color. Turn off the flame. Remove it from the pan. Into the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 green chili finely chopped, some curry leaves, saute it for a while. This is 1 onion finely chopped. Keep the flame on medium. Saute it for a minute or 2. Add some salt. Give it a quick mix. To this I am adding 1 tomato finely chopped. Saute it well. Tomato has become soft. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Give it a good mix. Let it cook for about 2 minutes till the raw flavor goes away. Add in the fried lady's finger and combine everything together. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. Now let's check the lady's finger. Lady's finger is done. Give it a gentle mix. Turn off the flame. Add a dash of lemon juice. Add in some fresh grated coconut, some roasted peanuts, and give this a quick stir. Lady's finger is ready to be served. Make lady's finger this way and you will love it. Do share this with your family and friends. If you like this video, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.